Yeah, we might have a we might be having a tornado hit. Holy shit! Those trees were just bent sideways. Surprised none of those pine trees went down. Christ. My pool robot's gonna have to work overtime. Oh, my branch just came in. Jesus. You got water pooling here. At least the temperature dropped about 20 degrees. I have a feeling there's tornadoes touching down. Not here, but not that far away. Well, we'll see how long it takes the power to get back on. A storm this bad, I don't know. I would imagine hours. Now I hear police sirens in the background. Yeah. Kind of glad we got out and got sushi when we did. We literally were just pulling in the driveway when all hell broke loose. There used to be a massive oak tree straight up there. That landed, went through the fence, took everything out the hill, and was in the pool. Clipped the hot tub, was all the way over to here, but the whole thing was in the pool. That took about a month to get cleaned out, get the pool back, crack the concrete, put holes in the liner. Lots of sirens rolling. I'm betting there's some trees landed on houses or on the roads too. That just came out of freaking nowhere. We went out and it was we grabbed sushi and we were like, oh, let's go grab something to eat. And I was like, oh, it looks a little cloudy. And I saw the lights flickering at the sushi place. I'm like, I bet you there's a thunderstorm coming. Jeez. Now the wind's coming from a different direction, blowing towards the house, which is not good. I was fine when it was blowing the other way. If the trees fell, they'd fall into those empty lots or the houses that are still being built. Just another day in Georgia. Looks like I'm going to be in the pool tomorrow. Yeah, some branches down on the bottom. Swim those out. Robot will be able to pick those up. That tree's big enough that that would hit our house. Actually, both of them are. Probably take out the porch here. Huh. Actually, I'm surprised none of their pine trees came down. Pine trees are notorious for being easy to topple in high winds like that. I'm very surprised. It doesn't look like any of them came down. Huh. All right. Well, we'll go back in the house where it's dry. There's no light. It's dark in there, but see if we can find some candles. If anything cool happens, I'll come back.